Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK and Europe, visiting many different top attractions, from theme parks to zoos to water parks to anything Disney related. We take our camera along the way and film as we go. Now we hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching.
Here's my room.
Welcome, come on in. We're at Hotel Matamba here at Phantasialand. So there's a couple of different hotels here at Phantasialand, and ours is African themed. So we're going to show you around our African themed room. There are patches where it's a little bit dark, but we'll do what we can. So this is our guest bedroom.
It's like a little tent.
So we've got our curtains ready to close. So yeah, as we come through here, we've got our wardrobes with the African themed curtains, and the rail, which looks like an authentic bit of
Wood.
tree, a bit of wood. We've got our sliding door.
Just be careful because it seems to open outwards.
Yeah. There's only a rail on the top.
Yeah.
We've got our toilet, lovely sink, and then
I like
behind
that
the wall
sink.
is the shower, so it's quite a good sized shower. There's me and Charlotte in the mirror.
Oh, there we go. Loving the sink.
These are our lamps that I've tried to pick
Here
up
we think-
and carry around until I realised there is a wire at the back. But they are very authentic looking.
Goes very well with the theming.
Then we've got this is the master bedroom with our curtains. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
I watch Perry struggle.
Oh, here we go.
Like
Keep
we
out
are
of-
in Africa.
Keep out the mozzies, because the mozzies can't fit through here. Or we have some kind of thermostat on the wall. I won't touch that just for the moment. And then our seating, this is the lounge area. So yeah, so the theme park is literally right next door. So in the morning we've booked our breakfast for 8 o'clock, so that when the park opens at 9 o'clock we can get in bang on time, because we obviously don't want to lose out on any time. So yeah, we just got on the shuttle bus from Brawl. I don't know if it's called Brawl, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. The shuttle bus was free on this occasion. I don't know if it's normally free. The sign says £3, but for us it was free, no pounds. I like the elephant throw. I like that.
It's very nice theming in here.
It's nice.
So yeah.
So this is our room for the moment. When I first come in, I thought this was like two single beds with a gap in the middle, but it's not. It's just where these are the duvets. So yeah.
That concludes our room tour.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll show you around the park when we get in.
I'll go round.
Be careful with the mask. pretty cool, isn't it? In the middle of the hotel hallway.